10 extremely rare native animals of Indonesia on the brink of extinction. Number 10. The Bawean deer, a shadowy grazer confined to the whispers of one tiny island. Axis Cooley, as scientists call it, moves with the quiet precision of a forest ghost. Its compact frame, about 3 feet at the shoulder and weighing 110 to 130 pounds, slipping through underbrush like a ripple on still water. As of 2024, surveys by the Indonesian Ministry of Environment and Forestry, fewer than 250 individuals roam free, with estimates hovering between 156 and 353 total animals, including just 20 fawns spotted in recent camera traps. The IUCN lists it as critically endangered, a status unchanged since 2016, with no viable subpopulations exceeding 50 mature deer. These numbers stem from painstaking camera trap studies in the Bawean Nature Reserve, where densities peak at 1.4 deer per square mile in undisturbed tall forests, but drop to near zero near human edges. Shifting from island seclusion to swampy heartlands, our number 9 embodies the stealth of ancient rivers. The false Gharial, a serpentine sentinel of Indonesia's peatlands. Tomistoma schlegeli stretches up to 13 feet long, its body an armored gray-green cylinder weighing 200 to 400 pounds, with a snout so slender, up to 2 feet of needle-thin jaws lined with 76 needle-like teeth, it looks crafted for threading waterweeds. Recent 2024 assessments by the IUCN Crocodile Specialist Group peg the global population at 2,500 to 10,000 mature individuals, with Indonesia holding the lion's share, perhaps 1,500 to 6,000, in fragmented pockets like the Mesengat Swamp and Danau Sentarum National Park. Critically endangered since 2013, numbers have halved in 3 generations, per river surveys logging just 0.5 sightings per mile in once abundant stretches. From riverine phantoms to arboreal architects, number 8 swings us into the canopy. The Sumatran orangutan, a flame-haired thinker pondering fruits from on high. Pongo abeli, the Sumatran variant, boasts a broader build than its Bornean kin, males reaching 5 feet tall, 200 pounds, with cheek flanges like wooden shields, framing a face of profound, soulful eyes. WWF's 2024 nest surveys estimate 13,500 to 14,600 wild individuals, down from 20,000 in 2000, earning a critically endangered tag with an 80% plunge over 75 years. Densities hover at 1 per square mile in prime habitat, but fragments hold mere dozens. Venturing eastward to flooded realms, number 7 introduces the Proboscis monkey, a long-nosed lord of mangroves with a belly laugh of a profile. Nasalis larvatus lords over Borneo's coastal swamps, its male's pendulous nose up to 5 inches, fleshy and funnel-shaped, flapping like a sail in the breeze, amplifying honks that boom across tidal channels. 2024 Sabah Wildlife Department boat censuses tally 5,000 to 6,000 in Malaysian Borneo, but Indonesian counts lag. Estimates suggest 2,000 to 3,000 across Kalimantan sites like Balikpapan Bay, where 2023 surveys logged 3,900 total, yielding endangered status with a 50% drop since 1980. These monkeys sculpt seagrass meadows, pruning mangroves to foster fish nurseries that feed 70% of Southeast Asia's catch. But oil palm sprawl clears 500,000 acres yearly in Borneo, eroding 30% of habitat since 2000, per Global Forest Watch. Bycatch in drift nets drowns 100 annually in East Kalimantan, while hunters target males for honker trophies. Floods, up 20% from El Nino, strand troops on shrinking islands. Descending to coral cathedrals, number 6 is the Dugong, a gentle submarine grazing the shallows like a living plow. Dugong, the sea cow of lore, spans 10 feet and 600 to 1,000 pounds. Its fusiform body, gray-blue hide scarred like weathered leather, propelled by a broad fluked tail that sculls with lazy arcs. No precise 2025 tally exists, but 2024 Brink aerial surveys estimate 500 to 1,000 in Indonesian waters, part of a Indo-Pacific total under 85,000, vulnerable per IUCN, with 20% decline since 1990. High in volcanic veils, number 5 perches the Javan hawk eagle, a raptor etching skies with talons of fate. Nisaitis bartelsi, Java's feathered sentinel, spans 4 feet wingtip to wingtip, weighing 4 pounds. Its plumage a mosaic of black crest, white nape streaks, and barred chestnut breast, like a painter's hasty sketch on slate-gray canvas. Endangered since 1994, 2024 counts by BirdLife International log 100 to 200 breeding pairs, fewer than 600 individuals, clinging to 6 fragments, down 30% since 2000. Burrowing into Sulawesi's gloom, number 4 unearths the Anoa, a buffalo of the understory with horns like forgotten crowns. Bubalus quarlisi, the mountain Anoa, stands 3 feet at the shoulder, 180 pounds of compact muscle under woolly black-brown hide that mats with mud like a living camouflage cloak. IUCN's 2024 lowlands surveys estimate 2,500 to 5,000 total across variants, with Indonesia's share, mostly Sulawesi, under 4,000, endangered with 50% loss since 1980. Number 3. The Javan leopard, Java's spotted phantom, slinking through bamboo thickets with paws like silent oaths. Panthera pardus mellus. This big cat measures 6 feet nose to tail, 100 pounds of sinew under rosettes like scattered inkblots on tawny vellum. Its roar a gravelly saw through the night. 2024 camera grids by the Javan Leopard Network capture 250 to 350 mature adults, total under 600 endangered, halved since 2000 per occupancy models. Scaling misty peaks, number 2 claims the Tapanuli orangutan, a bearded sage of Batang Toru's fractured crowns. Pongo tapanuliensis, the rarest great ape, mirrors its Sumatran cousins at 4 feet, 100 pounds, but with cinnamon fur and a dome of a skull fringed by silvery whiskers like an elder's wisdom. Discovered 2017-2024. IUCN audits count 770 to 800. World's rarest ape, critically endangered, 80% below viability. And crowning our countdown, number 1, the Javan rhino, a armored behemoth whose footfalls shake the soul of Ujung Kulon. Rhinoceros sandaicus. This one-horned titan tips 4,500 pounds, 11 feet long, hide like cracked leather armor folding into mosaics, its single horn, 10 inches of keratin dagger, curving skyward like a defiant query. 2025 audits by the Rhino Foundation confirm 72 to 76 individuals, world's rarest rhino, critically endangered, up from 50 in 2010, but teetering post-2024 poaching that felled 26.